Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked for IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice defending taxpayers for 4 decades. I've been doing this for 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I don't have a fancy suit. I don't have books behind me. All the information is right here. I look good in the suit anyway, so you don't need to worry about what I look like in the suit. If you do, you can go to my website at 777irs.com. I'm on TV quite a bit, and you can see what I look like in a suit. Anyway, I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. We are probably one of the best nation's authority in IRS tax resolution company. We are a modest-sized firm, and we take cases only if we can help people. I've worked about, 10,000 cases, and my YouTubes are only 5 minutes. I don't like to do YouTubes more than 5 minutes. I get bored hearing myself talk. I do these YouTubes for 3 reasons: to give you the information you need, inside information to educate you, and to give you enough education that you can make a very informative decision. As a former IRS agent, I taught the offer and compromise program. I was a offer specialist with them. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise, along with my accomplice at work, Peter Salinger, who went ahead and worked over 2,000 offers and compromise. We are the nation's probably 2 most, best authorities in offers. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about that subject of an offer and compromise, and how it's very dangerous, and you can lose your money with a big resolution company. Not always, but the propensity of that happening is far greater. The reason I say that is because I get the calls all the time about people getting ripped off. They pay thousands of dollars, and there's a couple things that you can do to prevent yourself from losing your money with a tax resolution company. And let me explain to you what those are. Most of the complaints that I get are from the bigger firms, the one that advertise a lot. And the reason is a lot of their budget goes to advertising and salespeople. So when you have a big advertising budget and you have salespeople selling offers and compromise and debt settlements, that's exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get a salesman answer to questions that you need to know whether you can settle, and the person who's working your case has no idea what's going on, what that salesman said. So let me just refine that for you so you do not get ripped off by these big resolution companies and pay lots of money. The offer and compromise is a very specific and a little bit of a complex procedure to get your offer accepted. The form is a pain in the ass. The financial statement, it's got to be documented well, and you have to know what you're doing. I feel sorry for the person who does not have the money, even though you can give it a go. And people do. People are successful in getting offers who don't have a lot of experience, but the propensity, it's not going to happen. Let me just give you the A to B answer of what you need to know. If someone's calling me to do their offer and compromise, I want to see the financial statement that IRS is going to require for the offer. I ask for the 433A. It's a better teaching tool for the taxpayer and myself. IRS is going to want the 433A OIC. If you do not submit that form to the person who's going to make the decision to take your money and your offer, chances are you're going to get ripped off. Why? If IRS is looking at that form, the person working your case must look at that form. There's no if, ands, or buts about it. I called the firm just kidding. He says, well, I said, you're not using the offer, or we don't. We've kind of reduced everything to 10 questions. My ass, you can't reduce this to 10 questions. The form is 4 or 5 pages long. You need to fill the form out correctly. You need to have an attorney, a CPA, enrolled agent, former IRS agent types, look at this to see if you're eligible. Do not give your money or write a check to a company unless they've looked at your form, and they should not charge you for that consultation at all. If you were to call us and you had an offer, I don't know if I want your case. I don't know if I can get your case accepted till I look at that form. Basically, what I do is I send you the form. I say, fill it out, send it back. Takes me about 15 seconds to review that form. I don't charge for that, and I'll say, yeah, I want the case or I don't. So if in fact you are going to hire somebody, anybody, anyone in the country, make sure they look at that financial statement, the 433A. I like that because it's a better teaching tool for you, or the 433A OIC. If they don't look at that form, they don't get a nickel. So if you have an offer, you have any questions, give me a call. We have a whole team of former IRS agents. You heard the truth from me, a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I love a subscription. Sorry to come on so much. I'm usually soft and gentle. Anyway, thank you. Give me a subscription if you would. Leave a question, a comment. You want me to YouTube? Stuff is really pretty simple. Don't get excited about nothing. The offer process, you want to understand what it is at 30,000 feet, and then the more you learn, the more you'll know how to choose. Thank you for the subscription, the comment, the like, whatever. Thank you.